guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and installation of this 24-inch wet wavy wig from View Hairs. And View Hairs actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. So we are going to go ahead and get into this video, but she is just gorgeous. This wig is 100% glueless and it looks good. Like when they say glueless, they actually mean glueless for once. This wig just eats, you guys. But yes, we are going to go ahead and get into this video, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and unbox this wig from View Hairs and see what she's giving. So this is supposed to be some real HD lace, so we gotta see if that HD lace is really up to par. So here is the bag. It says View Hairs, has a QR code on it, their website. Very cutesy, all of their branding. So here it is, bam, View Hairs. Bam, that's the box, nice and glossy. Let's see, ooh, okay, she got a little wave to her. Oh my goodness. Let's put the wig to the side and see what else comes in the box first and foremost. So, you get a wig cap, bam. And here's a flyer, let's see, is this how you care for the hair? Oh, I'm sorry, I threw that down. But yes, it tells you how to care for the hair. Oh, and it also teaches you how to tint your lace. You can tint the lace with some tea bags. I didn't even know that. That is news to me, but let's actually look at this wig. So here it is. Ooh, she got some length to it. Let me get back a little bit. She got some length to her, guys. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. So on here it says, this is their pre-cut lace, where to go, Brazilian virgin human hair, wet wave, 24 inches, natural color, and it's their 5x5 HD lace closure wig, according to the packaging. Let's see. Oh, I like this wave pattern already. Hold on, let me show y'all. I do love like a looser wave. So this is their wave. Oh, she's really pretty. Hold on, I like that. I like how it's not just super tight. You can run your fingers through it. There's no smell. Like, oh, look at that curl pattern. That's what I'm talking about. And it's so soft, you guys. Okay, so looking at this lace, bam, let me show you all. There's nothing. I'll put my hand inside of it. So the knots are already bleached. Like, look at that. The lace is cut. Oh my goodness, this hair is really soft. Like, bam. And this is only 150% density. So this is also a really nice density. When I have like more curly wigs, I don't like my wigs to be like super thick, like the 250, because that's just too much hair. That's a lot to manage. So this is still nice and thick, but it's controllable. I like this a lot. So there's the wig, you guys. Very pretty. Now let's actually look at the inside of this wig and look at the construction of this wig. So in the back you have a comb, you have another comb on the side here, another comb, and an elastic band, so it's adjustable. If you have a smaller head, you could tighten the band and what have you. And here is a parting space, a 5x5. So I feel like a 5x5 is like that perfect middle ground of parting space, to where you don't have to manage a whole frontal and glue down an entire frontal every day. But it's also like not just a little, what do people get, like a T part or something. Like you have versatility still. You could kind of switch the wig to the side a little bit, do a nice little side part when you want to with this, and bam, like I like that. And as you can see, like the lace is pretty thin too. I like that. So I'm happy. I am very happy. Like this curl pattern is super cute. I feel like it's the perfect like summer texture too. But let's go ahead and install this wig and see what she's giving. Okay, very cutesy right out the pack. Like just looking at this wig, I actually love the way this wig fits and clings to you. Like you really don't need glue for this wig at all. It is super secure. But let's actually kind of get this lace looking good, make it look the way we want it to look. But yeah, this wig, you do not need glue whatsoever. I'm literally in awe of how soft this hair actually is. Like I really like this. But I'm gonna add a little bit of mousse to the top, and we're just gonna flatten it a little bit. But guys, this hair is so soft. And the lace just blends perfectly too. Like, no glue, and you really cannot see the lace whatsoever. So I'm super happy about that. No glue whatsoever. So I know some people say, oh, this wig is glueless, and it don't really be glueless, but this, like, even when I pull it up, you can barely even see that lace. Like, the lace is thin. I like that. This is actually a good top tier glueless wig that actually is glueless. So I'm gonna add a little bit of makeup in the part to make the part pop a little more. So this is just my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Like, this wig doesn't need a lot of work, especially with it being like a wet wave curlier texture. Like, you don't have to do much at all for it to actually give and look good. So I just put a little concealer in my hand, and I'm just gonna put it in the part. And I feel like with a 5x5 closure, you have just the right amount of parting space to where you can go back far enough. Because I don't like a short little middle part when I do a middle part, of course. Now I'm going to add some more mousse so we can get it like a little more like wet and wavy almost. So bam, bam. Yeah, she looks so cutesy, very summer ready, very summer ready. But yes, this hair is completely gorgeous. So we just added a little bit of concealer only to the part. We didn't even need any makeup on the lace, and as you can see, she's 100% glueless still. Like, this is actually a really secure, beautiful glueless wig. Like, B hairs, you absolutely ate that. I am obsessed. And this curl pattern is perfect. Like, if you're going on vacation, you don't want to have to deal with a lot of glue whatsoever. If you're gonna go the wig route, you don't want to have to be worried about your wig sliding back. Like, this wig, if it's sliding back, you just pull it forward. But no, I love this wig. It's super secure. But of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye.